Hi guys, it's Aidan here. We're just going to do a fidget spinner collection with one of my brothers and two of them are sharing and one of my brothers, so I'll show you one. So we've got this oil slick one I have, that's mine. Oil slick one. And then we got my purple one. That. Then we got my silver one. That's a bit like my brother's purple one, but a different colour. Then we got this one that flashes. Does loads of different sort of things, like this. Oh, don't work. Like that, and that's it really, is that one. And then I've got this flashing black one that does basically like the other one, and then it's got two different mode things. And then, oh yeah, it's got another mode. This one looks really nice. And then, oh no, let me change it. Dropped it. Oh no. That mode. That looks really nice as well. And then that's it for that one. Then we've got this tiny one here. That's the one. But it doesn't spin for very long, but that doesn't really matter. So that's it for this fidget spinner collection, guys. See ya.